I have a 2018 Subaru Impreza here. I'm going to show you how to find the 3 locations for the fuse and relays. So first thing you're going to do is open up your driver's side door, and then on the floorboard here you're going to see where your left foot would go. You're going to come straight up from there. You're going to see this little compartment door here. We're going to pull that down. Inside there you're going to see you have your internal fuses. That's the first place inside the vehicle. The other 2 are under the hood, so you're going to see just to the lower left, you're going to see this little emblem with the hood open. You're actually going to reach behind there. There's a little tab. You're going to go to the back of that tab. You're going to pull it down and forward. You'll hear a pop in the front. Next we'll open the hood. You're going to find the front vehicle emblem. You're going to go straight up. Just go to the right a little bit. Slide your hand in. It works best with 2 hands. Slide to the left and lift up. Straight inside you're going to see this little bar. You're going to pull that up. And you're going to secure your hood right here. There's a little arrow pointing to where you should be putting that. Once you're in, here is that little tab. You're going to slide to the left, and it releases that mechanism. Now that you're in, here's your engine. Second place you're going to look is to the right. You're going to see your battery, and then this little box. There is a little tab in the front, one in the back. You're going to pinch those both at the same time. I've already loosened this up, and there's your fuse and relays. On the inner cover, there's actually a diagram of this, and it tells you what each one of those goes with. You can use that to figure out what's wrong. When you're having issues, you can see there are some replacement fuses, and you can typically tell when the fuse is blown out because it'll actually be burned out. If you have already used a fuse, you can swap one for another non-essential component just to see if that can get to where you need to be. After you're done, secure that. Make sure it clicks in both front and back. And then after finding the one behind the battery to the front right, you're going to go to the front left. And here's where your relays are. And this has got a little tab in the back. I'm just going to pull that forward. Pull, and you can see the relays that are right there. This does not have a diagram chart for you. And then just make sure that gets seated securely. Make sure both of those covers are untight. You do not want dust and debris getting in there, following up any of your connections. And last, you would close your hood. Hopefully this helps you find your fuse and relays. This is a 2018 Subaru Impreza. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe,